mahmaz poldmir is specialized in wastewater treatment. The company designs, builds and maintains a wastewater treatment plant for Dalton Winery. The project began 4 years ago with the collaboration with Migal Laboratories from Kiryat Shmona, the European Union, and we tried together to find a solution for a wastewater that causes damage to the public wastewater treatment plant. Dalton Winery help us, and together we run tests on the winery wastewater until we find the solution. Following the successful with the pilot plant, we build a full-scale plant for the Dalton Winery, and today it works and treats all the winery wastewater in full successful. In these days we are negotiating with several of wineries in Israel, and we are hoping to build a few plants in 2016.
From technical point, the wastewater plant divides to two major systems. The first system is supposed to reduce the TSS by up to 95%. To reduce the TSS, we use coagulant material. The coagulant that we use are product of ICL Israel and developed by Professor Gaon from Migal Institute in Kiryat Shmona. The second system reduce the COD, the organic load material. We use bio-aerated cell. The bio-aerated cell developed in Migal Institute by Professor Michael Litaro. After the two systems, we reduced the TSS and the COD to the Israeli standard, below 800 milligram per liter of COD and 400 milligram per liter of TSS.
Ever since we moved the winery to the industrial park in Dalton, the topic of wastewater management has always been central in how we manage the winery. It's a very, very sensitive subject in Israel, and we were having sporadic spot checks by the Minhelet HaKinneret, which is the body that governs the water running into the Lake Sea of Galilee, and by all the people who take care of the environment in Israel. And until we met Gaon mahmaz, we had a problem. We had to ship the wastewater out. We had to store it in a 70,000 litre tank and have it shipped out to be treated off-site. The solutions we were seeing around the world were biological reactors of some description or other. They were very expensive. The other alternative was to provide reed beds and some form of natural solution for the wastewater, which took a lot of space, which is at a premium in Israel. 3 or 4 years ago, we were approached by Gaon mahmaz to start a pilot to see whether they can develop a system to treat our wastewater. They've been running a pilot system for olive oil presses, and it was running successfully, and the waste coming out of the olive oil factories was biologically much heavier than the waste coming out of wineries. So they felt that it was a very easy switch to attract the wineries into using their system. Gaon mahmaz set up a pilot with us over the past 2 or 3 years. They gave us 24-hour technical support and 24-hour logistical support. They've got a portable reactor at the back of the winery, which took up virtually no space. The results were very, very successful and very promising. So successful that we agreed to buy one of their units.